Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the string functions available in string. Okay, some of the built-in string functions. So the first one is upper function, which converts the lowercase letters to uppercase letter. Next is L strip, which removes all leading white spaces in the string. Okay, it just removes the white spaces in the beginning of the string. Okay, R strip removes all trailing white spaces of the string, which is at the last. White spaces at the last of the string will be removed. And next is strip, performs both L strip and R strip on the string. Okay, if we give strip alone, it will just perform both the strips. Okay, which means that all the white spaces will be removed in the string. Next is the count, adds up the number of times a character or sequence character appears in a string. Okay, if you just give a count, it'll count of a in a particular string. It just adds up the number of times a particular a is repeated, or you can also give a sequence of character. Okay, so count is used for that. And next is find, search for find function is used for searching a specific character of a string, and replace function is used for replacing a string with another string. And the lower, as usual, it converts uppercase to lowercase. So these are some of the built-in functions available to manipulate the strings. Now the next topic is string method. These built-in functions are available for the string to perform the are used required string manipulations using this string method. Okay, using the string method. The concept of string method are used to call a string function. Okay, with the help of this method we can call the string function. The methods are called using object. Similarly, the string to be manipulated is got as an object, and the string function is called with an object, thus bringing the concept of method. Okay, with the help of the method we are calling the function and we are manipulating the string. So let us see an example. Okay, so we are going to use the upper and lower function. With the help of the method, we are going to manipulate the string. Okay, s is equal to I love Python, and now I'm going to give s dot upper, s dot uppers. Okay, so with this s dot upper function, I'm going to use this s as an object. S dot, this function name will change this string into uppercase. S dot lower will change this string into lowercase. Okay, now example of count function. S is equal to thanks for the tea and coffee. So s dot count, within quotes I'm going to give t. Okay, from this string I'm going to count the number of t. T is available. Okay, here 1 and 2 and 3. So my answer is 3. Okay. Next I'm going to use the function find s. So s is equal to, I'm going to assign this statement to s. I live in India. I like India. Okay. S dot find India. So this function will give me the index of this India. Okay, from in the index 10 India starts, so it gives me 10. Count spaces also, and India is in 10th position. Okay, this function will count the space also. Okay, and now I'm going to use the example. Replace s is equal to I like tea, s dot replace tea with coffee, so it gives me an output I like coffee. So these are the few examples to show how the inbuilt string functions are manipulated using string methods. Okay, so these are the explanation for string functions and string methods. Hope you understand. If you like, give a thumbs up and do comment. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell button so that you'll get all the notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye. To learn more engineering concepts easily, just don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.